Shri Bhagwati presents Shrink Sleeve Labeling Machine. A shrink sleeve applicator with an electric tunnel is a specialized machine used in the packaging industry to apply shrink sleeves onto containers or products and then shrink them using an electrically heated tunnel. Shrink sleeves are plastic labels that, when exposed to heat, conform tightly to the shape of the container, providing a tamper-evident seal and serving as a visually appealing branding and labeling solution. The electric tunnel heats the shrink sleeve, causing it to shrink and adhere to the container's contours. The machine is equipped with a mechanism to dispense shrink sleeves from a roll and accurately apply them onto containers or products. This may involve conveyor belts, rollers, or other mechanisms to ensure precise placement. The electric heat tunnel is a chamber through which the containers pass after the shrink sleeves have been applied. This tunnel uses electric heating elements to generate heat and evenly distribute it around the containers. The heat causes the shrink sleeves to shrink and conform tightly to the container's shape. Shrink sleeve applicators with electric tunnels are widely used in industries like food and beverages, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and more, where aesthetically pleasing packaging, tamper-evidence, and product branding are crucial. The specific features and capabilities of these machines can vary based on the manufacturer, model, and industry requirements. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.